Hey guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to the Dranify channel. This video is about my expensive Mavic 2 Pro crashing because I was distracted by two pretty ladies. So let me rewind the video and just give you some context. I'm flying from this place called the Kanawha Plaza in the middle of Richmond, Virginia. I had my Mavic 2 Pro up in the air and I was shooting a log, and as you can see, I just applied my LUT called natural. And as I start flying up, you can see that I'm changing my camera settings to adjust it to give me the feel that I want. I want a little drama in these clouds, but I don't think the clouds are going to cooperate. They're going to block the sunset. So I continue to fly to get these cool shots and hope that the clouds move out of the way and the sun finally pops out to give you that dramatic look, because the storm was just leaving. But I never got the chance. I didn't get the drama that I wanted. Something like this is what I was looking for. Yeah, I didn't get it. So I continued to fly. And then I decided to live stream Facebook, and this photographer shows up to set up to do his photo shoot. You can see in the upper left-hand corner. And I apologize for my DJI Osmo Pocket being out of focus. All right, so here I am, continuing to get the shots, and the clouds are moving out of the way, but not fast enough. The sun's going down too fast. The photo shoot is continuing on. Sorry again for the out of focus, and it's still pretty decent, but not bright enough to give you that really drama, the real good drama, I should say, that I was expecting. Again, I was expecting something like this, but never got it. So, running out of battery, and I'm bringing the drone down, but I start thinking, maybe I'll just give you guys a look at what the photographer's doing to make money. As you can see here, as I speed up the video and slow it down, change my camera settings again to be able to capture this scene. You can see the photographer is going back to get probably a phone or a light meter out of his case to make sure he has all the camera settings right. But as you can see, as I'm trying not to disturb it, but the pretty ladies keep looking over going, hey, what's this guy with a drone doing? And so the shoot continues. As it turned out, the photographer and I met. His name is Alexander With. His name of his company is Fox Photography. And so I'm trying not to disturb him. I'm out of batteries. I need to get this thing back and change batteries. But I couldn't resist trying to get a look of what he's doing. So there's my Mavic 2 Pro coming back. So, there's the ladies again, and now it's time to break down the operation and move on, and it's time for me to land my Mavic 2 Pro and change out the batteries and change out my ND filters to set up for long exposure shots in the evening. There we go.
Nice setup.
Yeah, I just put I want to do long exposure.
Oh, okay, cool, yeah.
I want to do a 2-second exposure. Let's see how it runs.
Yeah.
We'll trade.
There you go.
All right, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drop-offs.
Yeah. I'll look you up.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, I've seen those. Yeah. The pocket. Yep. That's cool.
It's a nice product.
Very cool. Nice setup. It was nice meeting you.
Hey, same here. You take care. You see Alexander Worth is going back to do his gig, and I'm doing my gig. And I'll put up on the screen here Alexander Worth, photographer, editor, Fox Photography. He is in Richmond, Virginia. He just informed the lady said I was doing a YouTube shoot and got a big smile out of them. So that was super nice. So again, I'm getting back to what is going on. I just got my Mavic 2 Pro, and the expensive Mavic 2 Pro up in the air. And I'm trying not to disturb the photo shoot again, but I do want to give you guys a feel what he's doing to make money with this camera.
Nice.
So he's got it all set up right, and he's getting a lot of good shots here. And you can see this is kind of a neat little place, and they have these the lady in the beautiful short little dinner dress looks back with cool tennis shoes.
Ooh la la.
And Alexander continues to get some decent shots, and now it's time to change the pose. And there it is. Got a new pose. And this is where I start thinking I need to get the Mavic 2 Pro up in the air because I'm going to run out of battery. So I started to do a slow circle mode. My idea was that I was going to do a slow circle and then take off to reveal the bridge that is kind of behind the right shoulder of the photographer, where the cars are coming in, to be able to do the long exposure photography that I had planned to do with this last battery that I had. So there I am, starting that circle beam mode. And I forgot about this tree. Wham! Crash. And it gets hung up on the limb, and I'm like horrified. And then it falls out and crashes to the ground. My heart sunk because I was like, oh my gosh. I hope it did not break the battery. Luckily, it landed in grass and not on pavement like my buddy's. His Mavic Air 2 landed on pavement, broke his gimbal. I'll show you a picture of that. See what you guys think. Just crazy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Follow me on social media at Duranify. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, smash that subscribe button, guys. And we'll see you guys in future videos. Goodbye.